Hey guys, welcome back. It's fall if you can't hear. Lots of leaf blower noise out there, but I'm gonna talk over it anyway. I've made it to get the transmission out on the mini truck. There it is. Now you may ask, why did I take it out? Well, several reasons. Number one, I'm pretty sure my slave cylinder is bad. I've got some pictures I'll throw in here to show you how bad I have a leak going on in there. Lots of grinding in the gears. I did drain the fluid when I took it out, and it was about a quart low. Everything online says this takes like 2.9 or so quarts, almost 3 quarts. I maybe got 2 quarts out of it, so that's a good sign. The bad sign is I have several leaks on this thing. Most of this up here, that is from probably the fuel lines that go up across. That could be a little bit of fuel. Oh, I don't know. We may find out it's where the case splits. I don't think it is. Not sure, but I'm going to keep an eye on that and I'll let you know. But the main place where this is coming out, it's right back here. And I really cleaned this up with a wire brush last night. Lots of mess there. It is just caked. And here's a look at the yoke. You can tell it's all over the yoke also. I'm pretty sure it's this seal. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but if you look inside there, the inner seal is worn out pretty bad. Let's pull up a new one and we'll see what it looks like. Seal, and you can tell, well, you probably can't tell, but I can tell. There's metal on the outside here, and then inside there's another softer seal that goes around the drive shaft as it goes in and connects with the output shaft here. So I've got to figure out a way how to get this out and get this one in without tearing it up too bad. Some of you may be asking, well, if you're leaking out here, it's probably a bushing in here that's bad. And I thought the same thing, but let me show you something. I got no play when I put that yoke into the transmission. So I'm thinking the problem is back in the drive line to where it's causing vibration and ruining the seal back here. I don't know, that's a guess. And if I had to guess, look at that center bearing. I mean, that's probably original. So that's definitely getting replaced, along with all the U-joints. I'm just waiting for the parts to show up so I can, work on that next. So let me set the camera up here. I think today's goal is to get this out and get that new one in. Okay guys, I think this is going to be my tool of choice to try to get this out. This is the US General slide hammer / puller set. That's from Harbor Freight. I've had this thing forever. Don't really use it that much, but I think one thing I can try here is maybe this 2-jaw set to where I can hook it up in between there, hit that back, pop it out. How you like that? I'm going to go through the instructions here real quick. I know, crazy talk, but just to see if maybe I'm missing anything. I may have to go with one of these individual jaw type pulling mechanisms. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to set up the camera and run through it, and I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, I think I'm going to have to go with a single jaw, because when I put a 2-jaw in here, I just can't get deep enough past the output shaft. So, going with a single jaw. Probably something like this. Nope. Maybe something like this to where I can get it far enough back. Maybe right there. See if I can pull that out. I have a feeling this is probably going to break, this whole seal, but let's give it a shot. Get it up in here. Try to do our best not to mess with that output shaft. Let me turn you a little bit this way. that is not budging. There, it's starting to move a little bit. There we go. Still got a little bit of the inner piece left in there. That's the spring from the seal. Let's clean this up. But yeah, very similar to the new one, no doubt. I think I got the right new one, but that seal's just not as springy as it used to be, for sure. Try to get all the dirt out of there before I go to try to pound that one back in. That's going to be fun too, trying to pound that one back in. There's definitely a bushing in there, but it doesn't appear to be messed up in any way. Looks like maybe an oil hole too, but let's see how bad this one's going to be to get in. This one is ribbed, unlike the other one, which was not. So let's see if we can get this started straight by pushing. Alright, let's see if we can find a socket. That looks like it's about as straight a start as I'm going to get. Pressed in there straight. It's a little crooked. There we go. Still needs a little more over here. Actually, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let me get you up closer so you can see it. There we go. So I had to start it with a slide hammer. Didn't finish it with a slide hammer. Finished it with just a screwdriver and hammering out, as you saw there. Here's the old one. Let me get some more. Yeah, there's the old one. So basically, got it started, came out, took a screwdriver and beat it that way to get it out. So next, rebuilding the drive line. Hopefully that'll stop that leak. Also, guys, got the new slave cylinder in. There's only 2 bolts, so not really worth doing a video on that. Pretty easy replacement. Unscrew the 2 bolts, pop the old one off, put the new one in, screw it down. There's the bleeder valve, and that's where the clutch hose will connect. Well, hey guys, that's about it for this one. Replaced the output seal, did the slave cylinder. I think this thing's just about ready to go back into the mini truck. I got a few things to do first. Let me show you. For an upcoming video, we're going to be doing this, the rear main seal. We've got the transmission out, so now's the time to do it, I think. You know, in that video, we'll cover removing the clutch and replacing the rear main seal, and then putting it all back together. Hey guys, thanks for watching. More videos to come. We'll see you next time.